Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change UI on Android. Changing the user interface on Android can be done in several ways depending on how much customization you want. Here are the most common methods. First, change the Home Launcher. A Home Launcher controls your Android's main interface, including the home screen and app drawer. Go to Google Play Store and download the launcher. For example, Nova Launcher or Microsoft Launcher. Tap Open to open the app and set it as your default launcher. Then go to Launcher Settings. Here, you can customize the launcher system settings, wallpaper, themes, home screen, etc. to match your preferences. Next, use a custom theme. Some Android devices, like Samsung, Xiaomi, or Huawei, have built-in theme stores that allow you to change wallpapers, icons, and other UI elements. To do this is to open the Themes or Customization app. Name varies by device. So for example, mine's called Galaxy Themes. Browse to choose your custom theme, then tap on it, and download your preferred theme. Apply the theme by tapping on Apply to change the look and feel of your device. Next, change specific elements. Wallpapers. Go to Settings, Wallpaper, go to Change Wallpapers, and choose from pre-installed options or download new ones. Widgets. Long press on the home screen and choose Widgets to add or adjust them. Next, use customization apps. KWGT. Create custom widgets or live wallpapers. Icon packs. Download from Google Play Store. Works with launches. Navigation gestures. Apps like Navigation Gestures or One Hand Operation Plus allow you to change gestures. Next, enable developer options for hidden tweaks. You can enable developer options to tweak animations and other UI behaviors. To do this is to go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information, tap Build Number 7 times to unlock developer options. Go to Settings again, then go to Developer Options. Here, adjust animation scales, window, transition, animator to speed up or slow down UI transitions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.